And finally today, a look at Samsung's new robot vacuum, the JetBot 90 AI Plus, which Samsung says reimagines cleaning. It combines Lidar, a video camera, and AI to recognize objects and avoid pitfalls other robot vacuum cleaners seem to fall into regularly, like eating cables, getting stuck, and beeping plaintively to be rescued. More details from CNET. Another neat trick the JetBot 90 AI can do is empty its own dustbin automatically. Like the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus and Shark IQ 1001 AE, the JetBot has a charging dock that pulls dirt from the robot and into a disposable vacuum bag when required. You can command the JetBot 90 AI from your phone as well. The SmartThings app lets you mark off restricted areas, what Samsung calls no-go zones, where you'd rather not have the robot clean. Samsung hasn't given pricing or an availability date for the JetBot 90 AI. A robot vacuum cleaner with this many capabilities isn't likely to come cheap. For comparison, that dual-navigating D-Bot from Ecovacs costs $800, while the self-emptying Roomba S9 rings in at well over $1,000, end quote.